So hello guys, it's Marjame right here again.
Nah,
So
yeah.
I deposited a small amount in this account here that we are seeing. So I deposited it. That was $3. Yeah, I grew it from $3. Then this is where the thing happened. I was almost blowing the account here
Oh my
because I entered many positions, as you will see here. Let's see. You see the positions, those are 5 of them, of which I shouldn't have done that. The broker is deriv, and you know deriv, the leverage is very high, you cannot change it. So this is what happened. I was in a drawdown of almost 7 USD until the account is currently at $12. So I waited here after taking this trade, this buy trade of GBP JPY. So I waited, as you see that small wick there down, that is where it reached. So after it reaching there, I just kept being patient. Yes, this is where I learned now that patience pays. So I waited for the trade. I waited. So let's just see what is going to happen. We just look around until when it changed into profits, and you'll see it later. Let's just see. Here I was over checking it, because you know this. For me, I don't normally set stop losses and take profits. Yes, I trade as long as I have got my target, then I just leave the market. Yes, I don't get addicted. But the other problem with me is that I always overtrade. I overtrade, and that thing is not good. So if you also do that, then you have to stop overtrading. Overtrading you can easily blow your account. Okay, you can easily blow your account in overtrading. So you have to just make your plans. You say, I'm going to target this amount today, I'm going to target this. So if I had done this, then also I couldn't have grown this from $3 to $12, right, as you see there up. So sometimes it's good to overtrade, and it's bad also. It depends on the current condition of the market. If your market is, let's say, it's ranging, it's very volatile, so there you can set your plans or your goals of that day, particular day. Let's say you want to target $3 a day, $5 a day, then you have to risk also that money, because here you have to risk in order to gain. You cannot just sit there and you say you want to make money, and yet you don't want to risk. And this is where it's good also to have a big account. I'm checking here on the daily time frame, as you see there. So that is the daily time frame. Let's see the candlestick. You see here, that is a big drawdown. That is a big draw. But after this, it pulled back up. So we shall wait and see. Look at that drawdown. If it was someone else or not me, then you could have closed the trade. You say, I'm in a loss, let me just cut them. But for me, no. Sometimes I cut my losses, sometimes I don't cut them. Yes, I just wait for the outcome. I see what is going to happen. As long as it's a small account, then I just risk it all to lose or to gain, and that is the plan. You don't need to cry about the market. Let's say the market is going this way, for you are crying about it, praying that you want it to turn this way. No. So let's just see here. So it's here now. This is where we turned into profits. This is where we turned into profits, and you are seeing right there. Yes, so after all this, I had a big push up, but I withdrew this money. I did not continue trading because I wanted that money. I wanted to buy something, so that is why I withdrew this. So this is like 50. I took it until $15. That is around 50 something, 50 or 60. Yeah, let's say around there in UGX. So let's see that push there, as you are seeing. You see this push, but it's very slow. I don't know why. In profits, it's slow to push, but if you're in a loss, you see the loss is huge. I don't know why the loss can be huge.
Oh my
Here
God.
I took a screenshot of that. So you know, if you are trading, you have to take some screenshots for records, or you have to just keep them and you be looking at them. You inspire yourself also again. So that is why I take screenshots. But you have to take screenshots when you see the market is stable. You don't take screenshots when you are in a loss. Yes,